Today is the last day. Well, today is the day that most people do not like, and that's the day of going back to their home country. It was definitely a beautiful time spent here, family, friends. For those who've never been to the Bahamas, I definitely recommend that you come and just have a great time. I stayed at the RIU Hotel, all inclusive. Adults only, and it was a great time. The service was good, food was good, the excursions I went on from ATV to jet ski to the Atlantis. Unfortunately, I missed my excursion at Blue Lagoon to swim with the sharks and snorkel, but luckily I will get refunded completely, and that's about it. Everybody enjoyed themselves. The ATV tours, everything that we done, I'll put it in the link in the description so you can check it out. That's about it. Once again, hit that like and subscribe button. For those who have subscribed, thank you very much. Appreciate you, truly. And that's about it. So just wait for the finish, the editing cut or whatever, and tell me what you think about it. Peace. This is a male conch, that's his penis. The female would have a line coming from the chest down. This is the pistol. This is an aphrodisiac. This is how we clean the conch. This part I'm taking off.
Anybody want to try the fish bait? It's an aphrodisiac.
I'll try.
I'll try one with you. Anybody else?
Yeah, let me try it.
This is the skin part I'm taking off. We put this into conch critters also.
Let me try it. Give me two.
I don't mind two. One for now, one for later.
One for later.
One for now, one for later.
You already got strong. You have extra strength. Extra strength, my boy. How was it?
Good? Good.
Jet skis, about to get in that water. Learn how to ride your own wave, not the next person. That's the tip of the day. Peace. one? Tony, how you feeling? You ready for this?
Yo, you want by yourself?
Is that the fastest one?
What's the fastest one?
Right here.
That's it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know how you. What's the second fastest? Give it to her.
Okay, without this will not start, okay?
Right.
I want you to watch me very carefully.
I got you, brother. I got
Like
you.
I say, 50 feet apart, not on change, okay?
Okay.
Watch me. Push on here. The green button start. The red button cuts it off. Hold on.
What's up, big man?
This is your accelerator. This is your accelerator.
Okay.
Accelerator. How do you squeeze it the faster you go?
Right.
Left, right.
And once I let go of the accelerator, it stops.
Yeah.
Got you.
This, you don't need this.
Don't need that. Copy.
Okay, you see the seaweed in the water?
Uh-huh.
Try to avoid them at all times.
Try to avoid them all times.
See if it get in the impeller, it's going to slow down the machine.
Copy.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Start it?
Hold on.
Okay.
Start it.
Time to ride our own wave, y'all. See it? dog. Let people know. My own water sports. I got you, brother. Y'all here? My own water sports. Make sure y'all get this one. This one's the fastest. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
If we got your attention, clap once. If we got your attention, clap twice. If we don't have your attention, clap 3 times. Exactly, I know I don't have your attention. Yeah. All right, so you ready now? Leaders. Come on, let's go. Yes, leaders got in the blindfold. All right, so once again, this is the course. You go here. Straight, straight, straight. Take a left. Go back down. Straight, straight, straight. Then you go in between these cones right here. We like to be in between. Here. Then you use both hands, place it on the table, and that's time. So the team with the quickest time wins. All right, turn around. All right, so guys, listen up and look carefully. This is an example. Oh Lord, don't take up the ladders. If you mess up those minks, she gonna kill you. You know this. All right, so guys, example. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Make a right. Straight. Take a left. Go straight. Stop. Make a right. Go. Make a left. Go around the corner. Go. Good. Take a left. All right, so you see that you see that just now, right? If you do that, you're disqualified. You know what that means, right? All right. You're out the game. You're out the game if you drop 1 cup of the tray. The wind blows. That means you gotta handle your lady, bro. You gotta hold it, bro. Oh well. You can't blame the wind on it. You can't blame the wind on it, bro. Hey, if you're having sex on the beach, you can't blame it if you can't get it in. You can't blame it on the beach. Guess what? We're not on the beach. We're on the pool deck, bro. We still got the breeze, though. Yeah, we got the breeze. It's still breezy. That's why it's not called 69, it's 68. It is what it is. 68. All right, so first team up. Let's go slow. You drop that. All the way down there. Follow the voice. Come on, follow the voice. Drop that. Right, left, right. Yeah, drop that. Right, left, right.
On some military shit, man.
Where I go, you go. I'm right behind you, all right? Come on, let's go. Come on. She can move faster than that, too. She could. She make me feel like I'm watching the Golden Girls.
Watch out for the banana peel.
Pooh, drop it. Drop it, baby. Hey. You got it. Right here. Drop it. I'll give you a million. Hey, where you going? I say, where I go, you go. Come on, right here. Man, you blind. Oh Lord, that's the second cone she knocked over. Right here, watch me. If this was driver's test, driver's edge, she would have been here. Right here, yeah. Follow the voice. Don't listen to her, guys. Listen to mine. Right here. Right here. Good. Be almost there. Remember, she can use both hands to put it on the table, okay? Remember what she did to you last week? She pissed you off.
I'm gonna put the pressure on y'all. Don't worry.
Feel for the table. And wrap it down. And time. Because we ain't even started yet, you're already moving. You gotta go to the finish line. How you get here already? She cheating already. Don't trust nobody who wear red shoes. Army slippers. He got on army slippers too? Yeah, that's the starting line. G.I. Joe's 11s. They're the G.I. Retros. They're the Jeezys. You know what? Stop it before Conch sue us. Anyway, had Jeezys on there, boy. All right. Are you ready? Oh. You scared? One hand. Yeah, one. Okay. That's it. I honestly feel that you're going to drop it, but I have faith. I honestly feel like she's going to cheat because she can see. Because she can't see nothing. She can see. That's just the glitter. That's the glitter off the mask. All right, are you ready? She can see. On the count of 3. She can see. Marcus, boy, listen. Yeah, she can see. Listen, your name is Marcus? Marcus. Right. Have you ever watched Why Did I Get Married? You know Marcus is rich. Every dude who named Marcus. 1, timer ready. 2, 3, go. Come on.
Marcus look like he could grill good, but he can't see. Marcus.
Hold on, let me lead you.
Hold on, Marcus, you touching that lady, man. What's the matter with you, Marcus?
Don't let the Jeezys get to you now.
Hey, stop. You don't touch this lady, man.
Come on, listen to his voice. Remember, you go where I go. Come on, she can walk faster than that.
This is a prime example why females look more than males.
Let's go, come on.
Serious. Drop that, honey. I'll give you a new Birkin bag. Drop it. Drop that.
Right here. Watch me. Hey, watch me.
Marcus have the ring, but I got the money. Drop
right
it.
here. Oh, Lord. She gonna go in the pool. This way. We back this way. Tell her to stop.
Oh, God.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, come on. You got it.
Don't you call Jesus?
Come on, sweetheart.
You blame Marcus.
Right here. No, Marcus. It isn't Marcus. It's her. Hey, hold on. Wait a minute. Stop. Take a left. Yeah. Come.
Oh my God.
Right.
Don't go to your room.
Oh Lord, she look like she in a horror movie for real. Take it right. Oh geez.
She got on the Prince mask.
Back it up. Hold on. Back it up. Back that ass. Back it up. All right. Good. Yeah. You good. All right.
Drop it.
Yo, Marcus is a fool for real. Come on.
Yeah, right there.
Hold on. Yeah.
Right there.
All right. Yeah. It's right there. And what we got?
2 minutes. Drop it. Drop it, bro. Man, drop that. Stop
Listen to the voice.
My voice, not his. Remember what he did to you in middle school, bro? He took your lunch. Drop it.
Rick talk a whole lot of shit.
I'm gonna say round the cone.
Come on, man. Y'all can move faster than that, buddy.
I am Moses. Come to the light, son.
Round the cone.
Right here.
Drop it, bro. Drop it.
To the left, round the cone to the right.
Drop it.
Come on, y'all doing good. Right here, buddy. Y'all doing good.
Y'all moving slow, though.
What the voice, buddy?
Man, my grandmother could do better than that. She's in a wheelchair, man. I don't know where he's going.
He's going in circles. We almost there.
That's the table right there, bruh.
Almost there.
Drop it.
And time. What we got?
I don't trust him, man. He got like... Now he won't put on his blindfold. Your camera's still on, bro.
Why you got your blindfold on your forehead, though?
Yeah, you cheating, bro. Put it over your nose. Wow.
No, you gotta put it over his eyes. Yeah, that's a blindfold.
Oh, okay.
He had it too far up.
What's your name, by the way, bro?
Oh, one hand, by the way, buddy.
Prince. Oh, he's Prince.
One hand, by the way. Left-handed?
What's going on?
Left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Okay,
Oh, he's
but you
right-handed.
comfortable? All right, on the count of 3. You guys ready?
Drop it. 1,
1, 2, 3, go. Remember, you can't touch. I'm watching you.
She touching his pants.
Yeah, take your hands out of his pocket.
Take all his money. Leave him alone.
Make it left. No, come on. Come over me.
Take your hand out of his pocket.
Walk.
Let me see you walk.
Walk straight.
He got 2 left foot. You can't. Oh, Lord, you can't touch
You can't touch
Prince.
the man. If he go in the pool, that's his fault.
That's on him. I hope he can swim. Communicate? You need to follow directions, man.
Make straight.
Communicate.
Right here, look at me. He gotta come here.
Come to the left.
Wow.
Oh, jeez.
Go for the cone. Come more to the left.
Wah,
More to the
wah,
left.
wah.
Make a circle. Make a circle. Walk straight.
Man, Prince, just drop it.
Walk straight.
You got it, Prince.
Walk to the left.
Just drop it, Prince.
Walk to the right.
To the right.
Yo, Prince,
Prince like he's done.
Oh.
Prince say, nah, you're not giving good directions. Next team, they forfeit.
He holding on for dead.
Hold on. You gotta move faster than that, buddy. You tall. You supposed to be walking fast.
Yeah, you got long legs, bro, but your kneecaps, I don't know.
The kneecaps ain't working.
They ashy.
He barely bend those. He walking like this. He got shaky legs.
Let's go, cousin. Let's go.
Come on, buddy.
What's his name?
Watch it now.
Let's go, cousin.
Hey, right here.
Ladell?
Yeah, like that.
Yo, Deli boy.
Right there. Right here. Right
Drop
here.
it, Deli.
Right here. On the table.
Drop
on the
it,
table.
Deli.
On the table. His name
Right
is
there,
Deli.
right there.
And time.
Yeah. Drop it.
She look like she's scared.
Yeah, she is scared. Drop
Okay,
it.
she on the ball land.
Just drop it. Just drop it.
Girl power!
Nah.
Walk fast. Walk fast. Go. Through here. Through here.
Watch it. There's a squirrel in the way.
Listen to her voice, okay? Listen to her voice.
Don't
Nobody
listen to
else-
her voice, man. You listen to her voice, that's destruction.
Oh, she
Yeah,
going
right
to
there.
crash. Oh, no. Ooh! It looked like it hurt, though.
That didn't hurt. She got a flat stomach. That ain't hurt. Right here, baby, right here. To your right. To your right. To your left.
She's definitely the hype man. You're almost there. Feel for the table. Oh, my God. How old is that?
Hey,
First of all, you cheating.
already. Move. See that?
Back up,
So
right
you
there.
can't trust the beaming woman now. I just playing.
That's what he said. Where you from? Now you want to ask questions.
My mommy.
Where you from?
That's the whole object we're gonna give. You can't see.
Where you from? I from Princess Margaret Hospital.
Yeah.
Are you ready? You ready?
Be ready.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
All you gotta do is drop that nigga, suck your doors. Drop it.
Oh Lord, look. The blind leading the blind.
Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Don't touch this woman.
Around the corner.
Yeah, I watch it.
Right through here.
They females. Hey, don't hit her with the tray.
Bob and weave right in my corner.
Bob
Hey,
and
hold
weave.
on. Turn way right.
She ain't
You
no
gotta come through
left.
here.
She ain't no left and right.
Just tell her her voice. Tell her her voice.
Of course, back up.
Step in the name of love. Bob and weave, boy.
She ain't no but Bob and Riff.
Come.
She almost feel the titties.
That's time. What we got? Let's go.
Superman, bro.
Come on. He got on polo, Adidas, and Batman socks. Look at how he's walking.
You better don't touch him.
Look at how he's walking though.
Don't worry about the cone.
Hey,
Keep
where the
walking.
cone at? Where the cone at? Well, you gotta go this way. I tell you, wherever I go, he goes.
Yeah, she won't know.
Right, hey, look at me right here. You gotta slow him down.
Oh, hey! You can't be touching the man.
Tell Batman to bring the Batmobile.
Exactly. Excuse me, right here. They ain't going to that cool, bro.
Hey,
You should have wear your Superman.
look at me. Come this way, right here. Hey, look at me.
Bruh.
Where I go, he goes. Where I go, he goes.
Bruh, just know your time about to be like 1 minute and like 80 seconds, bro. Yeah, just 2 minutes.
She almost did.
Should have wear your flash shots, bro.
And time.
No, it's not time. It's not that yet.
That's on the table, bro.
Second time, ladies and gentlemen, he's blindfolded again. Let's see if he did it.
Remember, one hand now, buddy. One hand.
I think you should let him go with
Palm
2
of your
hands.
hand.
Last time he went with 1 hand, he failed.
All right, good.
And he don't. The lady said he don't listen.
On the count of 3. 1, 2,
The lady said
3,
he
go.
don't listen.
Straight, go straight, go to the right, to the right. Straight.
Look.
Y'all doing good.
Straight. Stop. Straight to the left. Back on straight. Straight to the left.
Military
Come straight. Look. Come straight. Straight to the left.
Hey, bro,
Right, that's what I'm talking about.
Drop it.
No,
Drop it.
wait, why you telling him stretch? You gotta go here.
This way, to the right, to the right, to the right.
By the way, don't you touch him again. I saw you touch his stomach. Cheating around here.
Yo, he look like he in the army for real.
He is in the army. He was.
Come straight, come straight, come straight, come straight.
Yeah, he's a seal.
Come
Right
straight.
here, right here.
And he's a better swimmer than
Left, turn left.
Right, to the right, to the right, to the right.
That's what they say.
Right here.
Come straight, come straight.
Man, you done messed up the game.
To the right, to the right.
Walked on you.
Don't touch him. Right here.
Drill sergeant left. Drill sergeant right. Right turn.
Jump the table, Conch.
That is.
Jump the table.
Right now. Put it down. And time. Look at me, right here. Man, he's doing good though. And he getting the polo and the Nike shoes on.
It's time for the percolator. Woo! Drop it,
Right here.
Say what? Say what?
Yeah.
Your shoelaces need to tie, bro.
Say the table. Oh. And time. Alright, so right here. You step right here.
What's your name, bro? What's your name? Huh? Mookie? What's your name?
Toya and Mookie. Alright,
I know Mookie's not his real name, but okay.
Alright, that's his different name.
What?
Alright, are you ready, Mookie?
Where you from, Mookie?
Oh, shit.
Mookie from
Alright, come on, Mookie. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Damn, see? I know you can see. Look. The toilet not even touching him. Look.
Toya ain't even say nothing.
Look. Oh, shit.
Oh, Quicksilver. Come on, Quicksilver.
You're a gold.
Come on, buddy. Look here. Oh. Which man? He about to crisscross somebody right now.
But eventually, I gotta use my action. I gotta see it.
Mookie, you drop a tray. You drop a cup, boy.
Mookie.
All right, that's all. What time is it anyway?
Please, they just wet. No.
You wear size 13?
Yeah, you wear size 13? That's why I say 13. I wear size 11, so I can't fit the word.
Man.
Alright, Marcus.
All right.
You got, I'm not saying that. Marcus from the United States. That's it. I'm not playing with you.
You ready, Marcus? Let's go. On the count of 3.
Marcus, do not touch that woman.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, she's modeling. Let me see. Walk.
She can see. Marcus, don't touch that lady. And you walk in the water, Marcus. For a red bottle. I mean, red shoe. Yeah, she gonna be
Just
bad.
like that. Around the corner.
I just want to know which one of these ladies are for me.
None.
All y'all beautiful. Ain't nobody tell you y'all beautiful. I'ma say y'all
Sharp
beautiful.
right.
I hope y'all have a good day too.
Oh my God. 33 seconds.
what I'm saying? We the black man. Matter of fact, we the black man original man.
All right.
Why we gotta be scared? Look, turtles, fish, and swan, birds in the same water. But we can't get along as black man and white man. What kind of shit is this? What kind of shit is this?
Tonight is the last night. 5 days, 4 nights on this beautiful island with family. Just amazing. So we're just gonna do it up tonight. Do it big. Here we are.
Let me tell y'all something.
Here, we're going home.
For me first, see, like for me first. Wow.
Oh, we have to give. Well, I have to give him some more. Come on, I have to give you some more. Like, pull him up.
Fill me up.
You want a shot?
I want to see like a thank you though.
See what this is about.
72.
You want to taste something?
Oh, no, baby girl. Thank you.
That's different.